Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English version, Math, Exercise 4.1, Exercise 4.1, and Math number 5. If x minus 1 by x equals to 3, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square. Now we can make it x plus 1 by x whole square or x minus 1 by x whole square. But since we have got the value of x minus 1 by x, let's try to make it look like x minus 1 by x whole square equals to x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square. So how much we added more? This is 2 minus 2. This is something we have just extra we have added. So let's put a plus 2 so that it becomes, so the value doesn't change. So minus 2 and plus 2, so value hasn't changed at all. So equals to, from x, here we can see x square minus 2ab plus b square. So x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. Why we make it x minus 1 by x, not x plus 1 by x? Because we have the value of x minus 1 by x. Okay, equals to, let's put the value x minus 1 by x. This is 3 square plus 2 equals to 9 plus 2 equals to 11, and that is the answer. Answer is 11. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.